Essential antonyms and their corresponding opposite words. Part 3. Number 101. Fail, opposite words, succeed, pass, achieve, triumph, win. Number 102. False, opposite words, true, correct, accurate, right, genuine. Number 103. Familiar, opposite words, unfamiliar, strange, unknown, foreign, alien. Number 104. Famous, opposite words, unknown, obscure, anonymous, uncelebrated, unrecognized. Number 105. Fancy, opposite words, plain, simple, ordinary, unadorned, austere. Number 106. Fast, opposite words, slow, sluggish, delayed, leisurely, unhurried. Number 107. Fat, opposite words, thin, slim, skinny, lean, slender. Number 108. Fear, opposite words, courage, bravery, confidence, valor, fearlessness. Number 109. Few, opposite words, many, numerous, abundant, countless, plentiful. Number 110. Final, opposite words, initial, first, beginning, starting, preliminary. Number 111. Find, opposite words, lose, misplace, displace, mislay, forfeit. Number 112. Finish, opposite words, start, begin, commence, initiate, open. Number 113. Flexible, opposite words, rigid, stiff, inflexible, firm, unyielding. Number 114. Follow, opposite words, lead, guide, direct, head, precede. Number 115. Foolish, opposite words, wise, sensible, smart, intelligent, prudent. Number 116. For, opposite words, against, opposed, antagonistic, contradictory, contrary. Number 117. Foreigner, opposite words, native, local, resident, indigenous, domestic. Number 118. Forget, opposite words, remember, recall, retain, reminisce, recollect. Number 119. Form, opposite words, destroy, dismantle, disassemble, ruin, annihilate. Number 120. Fortunate, opposite words, unfortunate, unlucky, hapless, unfavored, cursed. Number 121. Forward, opposite words, backward, reverse, behind, retreat, rear. Number 122. Free, opposite words, bound, restricted, confined, captive, limited. Number 123. Frequently, opposite words, rarely, seldom, infrequently, occasionally, sporadically. Number 124. Fresh, opposite words, stale, old, rotten, spoiled, decayed. Number 125. Friendly, opposite words, hostile, unfriendly, antagonistic, unwelcoming, aloof. Number 126. Full, opposite words, empty, vacant, hollow, void, bare. Number 127. Gain, opposite words, lose, forfeit, miss, surrender, relinquish. Number 128. Generous, opposite words, stingy, miserly, greedy, selfish, mean. Number 129. Gentle, opposite words, rough, harsh, severe, coarse, aggressive. Number 130. Giant, opposite words, tiny, small, diminutive, minuscule, petite. Number 131. Give, opposite words, take, receive, accept, get, obtain. Number 132. Glad, opposite words, sad, unhappy, miserable, downcast, depressed. Number 133. Global, opposite words, local, regional, domestic, national, indigenous. Number 134. Good, opposite words, bad, poor, inferior, substandard, awful. Number 135. Gradual, opposite words, sudden, abrupt, immediate, quick, instantaneous. Number 136. Great, opposite words, small, little, tiny, insignificant, minor. Number 137. Guilty, opposite words, innocent, blameless, exonerated, faultless, vindicated. Number 138. Happy, opposite words, sad, unhappy, miserable, depressed, melancholy. Number 139. Hard, opposite words, soft, easy, tender, gentle, pliable. Number 140. Harm, opposite words, protect, save, guard, shield, defend. Number 141. Harsh, opposite words, gentle, mild, soft, tender, kind. Number 142. Hate, opposite words, love, adore, cherish, like, admire. Number 143. Healthy, opposite words, unhealthy, sick, ill, ailing, diseased. Number 144. Heaven, opposite words, hell, underworld, inferno, abyss, purgatory. Number 145. Heavy, opposite words, light, lightweight, easy, buoyant, airy. Number 146. Hide, opposite words, reveal, expose, show, uncover, disclose. Number 147. High, opposite words, low, short, small, little, tiny. Number 148. Higher, opposite words, fire, dismiss, sack, terminate, release. Number 149. Honest, opposite words, dishonest, deceitful, untruthful, fraudulent, lying.